Hello rail fans, welcome to French Fried Trains. It's Saturday, February 27th, 2021. I had already got one train that day, which was in a previous video, but we got a few more. Check out that lash-up. Leading is an ES44ACH, but the second locomotive is a Gp39-2, a fairly rare catch these days out on the main line. This one was originally built for the Reading Railroad in 1974. Third is a Gp40-2, originally built in 1980 for the C&O. This was another monster manifest train. It would even have a fourth unit running distributed power. Here's a BNSF covered hopper mixed in. And some car covering graffiti on that one. Here comes the fourth locomotive. And there it goes, an ET44AH. And a nice clean CSX boxcar here. And some more car covering graffiti. Here we see an old Seaboard system car. And there's a Soo line. About 10 minutes later, the end of the train finally went by. After this train, we stuck around. It was about another hour before the next train would arrive. Listen to the awesome sound of these EMDs roaring. A pair of SD43 rebuilds on this southbound. This was J783, heading south on to Cincinnati. Check out this Union Equity car. I've seen this a couple times in the last few weeks. Here we see a shiny white liquid argon tanker. And here some graffiti adds a splash of color to this covered hopper. This was all the trains we got on Saturday, but the next day, on Sunday the 28th, we went back out. We only waited all of 5 minutes after we got there when this first train arrived. Another pair of SD43s lead this train, this time sequentially numbered, number 4287 and 4288. This was that day's J783, heading south. Some color on this car, even the Circle K logo. Here's an old Conrail gondola. And this old Sioux Line covered hopper has definitely seen better days. Here's an old Milwaukee road car. Here the sun peeks out as a blue tank car, followed by a liquid argon tanker, go past us. Well, folks, that's all for this episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.